Hello everyone, you're watching Cashed Out Cars, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change the battery in your Passat key fob. So the first thing you have to do is remove the plastic key that's housed inside the key fob, and to do that there's a little button here that's kind of hidden on the side of the key. You need to press that in and then you'll be able to remove the plastic key from your fob. The next step is to push this plastic piece off to the side and remove it from the rest of the fob. It'll click over to the side like that, and then you could just lift it off just like that. And then finally, you'll need to use some sort of screwdriver or your hands if you're feeling ambitious to separate this plastic front case from the main part of the fob. And to do that, I put the screwdriver in there and carefully pry upwards. And you'll hear it start to release and pop a little bit. Be gentle here so you don't damage anything severely, but like I said, a little pry tool right there is extremely helpful. Then you could remove that cover and access your battery. To remove it, once again, use a little screwdriver, get under it, and it'll just pop out. The battery that you will need to replace the one that is in the key fob is a CR2032, which I have linked in the description. This will be the perfect battery to fit your key fob, so if you need a new one, get it from in the description. Then you could just remove it. Installing it is extremely simple. Just slide it back into place like that, and then to pop your housing back together, simply line it up and press it into place. That's all back together there. Next step is to get that metal part back on. So take the part that has that opening right there and slide it down over the top of the key on the side where that button is. Press it into place. Once again, it'll click. Finally, all you have to do is reinsert your plastic key into the fob. That just presses right down into place. And now your key fob battery has been changed. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it and subscribe for more. And I hope you stick around for the next one. Take care.